Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your calendar settings in the Widgetsmith application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the settings button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the calendar settings button, and here you can choose your calendar's language. So you can use system language, which is Hungarian in my case, but you can also use the always use English mode, and you can also set the first day of the week. You can start it with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.